Good morning. Welcome back to another Market Open live stream. Let's figure out what the heck is going on in the marketplace today because there are things going on. Well, things going on every day, but it's always nice to see what's going on so we can figure out if there's an opportunity to make some money. See, the problem right now is cannabis is deciding to sell off again. And so is Microvision after yesterday's run on Microvision. Microvision is deciding to sell off a little bit, only about 5% after it ran up about 29%. So Microvision is still killing it. But Sundial, the momentum is out of Sundial apparently. Definitely a frustrating movement here to see in Sundial prices to be down 13.2% here right in the pre-market. We've got about 3 markets to open. A lot of red today over here. Oh my God, look at Tesla. Holy smokers. Jeez, man. It is going, we got lots of red. Wow. We are down to 776 at Tesla. Oh man. I'm gonna have to come out off the stock diet here soon and start shopping again. Wow. When we thought 785 was a good deal the other day, here's Tesla just going straight down. That's okay. Tesla is along. Take a look at this. We got eHang's up 5%. We've got, which eHang, by the way, had another short seller come out and rag on them this morning. So a lot of volatility at eHang this morning. You've got CCIV. Oh my God, what? How after being up 31% is our boy Churchill printing tendies up another 4%. Holy smokes. Jeez, man. That's one of the big plays right here that geez, this is crazy. It makes me wonder, how high is this going to go today? I don't know where we're going to have these swing potentials here, but CCIV, wow, this is I mean, wow, that's all I can say. It's green candle sticking up to 4% and more right now over at Churchill Capital. We got Nano Dimension rebounding a little bit after that 6 8/10% sell off yesterday. Matterport also up today after a green day yesterday. It's up again today. Geez. I mean, these are some of our favorite names right here doing very well. Churchill Capital, Matterport, some of our recent big buys doing very, very well here. I have to say, though, obviously, the biggest holding in fairness is bleeding a little bit over here. Tesla recovering a little bit into the open here, now at 779, no longer down 776. But a lot of red today. It's going to be interesting to see how this market opens up today. Let's tune in here to CNBC for a moment and listen to the opening bell. Here we go.
Just about everybody who needs one, looks like we'll probably have one in the month of August, he said.
Yeah, so it's roughly speaking within the 6-month window that the market maybe tries to base its current positioning on. It does make sense. I mean, I think even if it's not substantially more penetrated before that, it might come as a slight disappointment. But it also doesn't seem to matter that much. People are spending as it is right now, as they have money on hand. Oh.
Man, looking at retail sales, some of the internals, that's absolutely right, Mike. There's the opening bell. I'll look at the S&P 500 and as Brett fills in the NASDAQ as well. David, speaking to Mike's point, you look at some of the sectors that did so well in the month. Furniture.
I feel like we're missing the fun music. Where they usually go dun, and they got the music and stuff. I don't know. Maybe it's too red for that today. Maybe when you get too much redness like this, it's ooh, look at those red candlesticks. What's going on over here? Who's oh, that's Tesla. Oh my God. Look at the open. It just opened down at 768. Look at that red candlestick. Oh, we are getting discount opportunities on Tesla. Yeah. That's a good thing. Tesla's one of those you just never. I don't day trade Tesla. That is not a trade stock. That's your buy and hold. That's the stock you give your kids when you retire and whenever you plan on retiring. Look at that. eHang gave up. It's like 5% here in the morning. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, see it. Oh yeah, nice big red candlestick here at the open. Lots of red at the open here. Oh, we got a green here though. Look, GameStop. in the sea of despair, GameStop has a big green candlestick. Look at this push on GameStop. Is that where we're swinging today? Is this where the entertainment is going today? E just there it is. Yep, 1% right here. Quantum, this is the gain we had yesterday, the 10%, but also gave a red candlestick. Holy crap. What? 7% on Churchill. You got to be freaking kidding me. Oh man, this might be where the momentum is today. Let's see what this opening volume is here. Opening volume of 4.7 million. My God, really? Let's go back here. So opening volume yesterday. Opening volume was okay, actually about similar, 4.1 million. And then we went to about 300s. Yeah, 300Ks. We had some lowers on the 100Ks here. Obviously, we had a big surge here when the news came out, which we covered right away. 1.1 million, 1.1, 2.6 million in volume. Let's jump on over here to this candlestick right here. Okay, there we go. Pushing right back down. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, look at that. This is what volatility. This just went from up 7% to up now, well, 3%. Woo! Look how high that went. That almost went to $60. That's crazy. Ay. Very interesting start today. Look at this. Bitcoin almost $51,000 for a coin of Bitcoin you can't touch. And look at the red today. Oh, darn it. It's basically, they put the map up and it's basically very red. It's very red. Wow. Woo. It's tough out there today. Oh my gosh. Look at this, folks. Oh, sundial. Oh, people are taking profits and running. Oh man. Oh, this is not a good market to open up to here. Oh my gosh. Look at the sell-off. Look, why I did not cause this, okay? I may have sold yesterday to reduce my margin to 20%, but I did not cause this. This sucks. What is happening? Look at this. These holy smokes. Straight sell-off on Sundial. People taking profits, GTFOing right now. That's what's happening here. I mean, this is straight up GTFOing, man. Oh, 8.6 million in volume on a big fat red candlestick on Sundial. Oh, let's see. Let's go to the beginning of the day yesterday. Okay, well, it had about a 7.9 million drop yesterday at the beginning of the day. But look at what that preceded. Look at that. Look what it did. Look what it set off. It set off a day of down. Oh, it did have a little bit of an up and then right back down. Oh, but it rallied into the close and then right back down. Ooh, not good. Oh, man. Oof. Yeah. Okay. Sundial is red peaking here. Microvision giving up its power yesterday. Oh, honestly, today as a trader is a short day. I feel like, or it's just a day off. Wow, this is bloody. Look at this. Oh my gosh, Shopify 8%. When Shop didn't wait, hold on. Shopify earnings. Did they just report? I think maybe they reported before the bell today. Yeah, they reported this morning. Oh, okay. I'll go ahead and pull this up on the Bloomberg terminal. Woo! Is SOS still going crazy? Really? Let's look at that. Thank you for saying that. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for sharing some green here. SOS trying to push again. So SOS yesterday was obviously a 60% green yesterday. Absolutely an incredible movement yesterday by SOS. Got some big, wow, 21 million share volume on the open. That is huge. At least I think it is. Sometimes it's what happens is you end up comparing to all the other stocks. Let's see what we got over here. No, this had an opening of 16.7. 16.7 over here. And this is 21. Okay, so it actually had yeah, it's about 20% larger volume on the open today. 1.9, 15.7. Okay. So let's see what else we have here. Okay. All right. We'll see how this stabilizes and comes out of the gate. I mean, out of the gate, it's up. eHang's up 11% today. That's amazing. eHang's pushing. Let's see if eHang trades up here today. We've got Quantum giving up a little bit of its gains here in the morning. So from the pre-market hours, let's go ahead and pull up what we got going on here. Hive blockchain is flying. We'll check that out. I don't know anything about Hive blockchain, but I will be more than happy to check that out. See what's going on. All right. So we've got. Oh, look at this run on eHang. Come on, pump it. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Here's a potential trade. Let's go. Reversal on the second short seller attack. Second short seller attack comes out to try to beat down eHang. And no, now we're getting reversal. But we got our boys over here we got to listen to.
Maybe $12 billion. Original reports in Bloomberg, I think it had 15. I just don't know. And then, Mike, these pipes, you come in at 10.
Yeah.
The SPAC's trading at 54. So Michael Klein is right now in a position to potentially deliver enormous paper profits to those investors who are willing to come in the pipe. Now, again, percentages, we don't know what they're going to buy. We don't know a lot here, projections, but there's a lockup after the deal is announced, after the deal closes, I should say. Nonetheless, he's in a position to deliver a lot of potential money to these pipe investors, given this incredible move up in Churchill on the prospect of it eventually merging with Lucid.
It is really amazing, and it really shows you there's kind of separate constituencies for SPACs right now, where it had always been this kind of this professional game. It was sort of an arbitrage. You were sort of there was a fairly structured trade in there that people thought was very good risk reward. And then all of a sudden, you have the public kind of coming in and just getting excited about this concept of what they might buy. And it turns it a little bit upside down. So it is quite amazing. This market's in a hurry to just put big valuations and throw capital on whatever, kind of sexy notion comes across the screens.
Right.
I don't think that's changing.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, he's kind of slamming us a little bit. Just looking for this next sexy, hot, beautiful person is kind of what they're saying.
Actually get a lot more money behind them as opposed to those that already have a revenue stream and the potential for, if not profits, nearer term, where you can actually apply a multiple that you might sort of find more appropriate.
Yeah, I think a great exercise, Dave, would be to go through all of the PowerPoints, the pitch decks upon a consummation of one of these SPAC deals of all the target companies, and just aggregate the 2024 and 2025 revenue and the growth rates and everything. I mean, what's being promised 3 and 4 and 5 years out?
He's right about this. The slide decks are ridiculous. SPAC slide decks are toxic.
It's still fun to say. Off 2026 numbers. That was the multiple they were using. Yeah. 2026. Okay. Maybe it'll happen. Ken Mollett, of course, was Brian. That SPAC came on and explained all the reasons why strategically it makes a lot of sense. And perhaps it really does. But to your point, you got a number of years here to sort of dream, Carl. And there's a lot of dreaming going on.
Yeah.
What was the line from Peter Thiel? We were promised flying cars. Instead, we got 240 characters.
Yes,
is that the line?
That was. So one day we're going to get those darn flying cars, which is exciting. Phil mentioned it as well to jog deep there. But it's going to be a while.
Guys, one area that our producer Robert Hum points out not benefiting from a lot of the optimism about the economy reopening is travel. Hilton results came in a 10-cent loss. We're looking for a 4-cent gain. Chris Nassetta said the results of the quarter are largely in line, but tightening travel restrictions disrupted the positive momentum that we saw.
All right. This is a tough day to trade, folks. This is holy crap. I mean, look at some of these sell-offs here. Sundial's trying to stabilize, right? Sundial's like, hey, yo, come on, we don't need to be down 15% here. But CTRM, pain. Torchlight, pain. Zom, I heard about this stock like 17. Stop that. Like 17 times yesterday. I'm sorry, not yesterday. Last week. And unfortunately, this stock has all of a sudden just gotten beat up. Let's look at this here. So we had the run, this incredible run, right? So here's the run that we have from January, and it's just been straight down since really the peak here at the end of the week. Let's see, on the 11th, we get the 12th right here. It's down a little bit. And that reversal here, that trend reversal, that really led us down this path where we're just red right now on SOM. I mean, that's painful. Sorry if you're in this right now. We want to see a turnaround here. Yesterday, I made a note when OGI was up to like what 420 or something like that, maybe 419 or something like that. It did close OGI. EXPI down 4% here. We got Enphase. Wow, Enphase going back to that kind of 179 number. That's where I bought some options. We got Neo coming down. Lots of deflating happening here. This is something where you want to also ask yourself, what's your margin position like? Are you in a place where, if we have an extended sell-off here, are you going to have larger potential issues? This is how sell-offs can begin. And this is to get a 3% loss on EXPI, Pinterest, Etsy, Neo, Tesla, PayPal, these guys down 1.8 over here, Apple 1%. This is a little bit of the market letting some steam out. Some of the excitement is going away right now. Maybe a little bit too much profit taking happening right now. Who knows? Whatever it is, it's not that fun. It's just not that fun. Let's go look at SOS. Let's try to understand SOS. Enter. SOS is up 19%. And let's go into the minute interval here. Yeah. This is not fun. No, what the hell? Okay. Well, geez. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Can I look at Zone XONE? I'll check that out in just a second. Sure. And I got my list from yesterday as well. We'll do a little bit of digging around, especially since right now it's just such a. What's Amazon doing? Let's see. Amazon. Oh, Amazon's going straight up, but I mean, like barely, right? Like 0.6%. I mean, oh wow. Hold on. What's Churchill doing here? Yeah, Churchill very, very volatile too. Yikes. Okay, Zos selling off a little bit here. It looks like the trade right now is Ehang. Ehang's the one that's got the trading momentum. That's the one that's trading. Yeah. Let's see here. What else is going on? Okay, cool. We got the chat up here. All right. So we're holding ZOM, SOS. Look at Riot, EXPI. Yeah, EXPI is down. Yeah, you gotta be careful looking at year to date if you're trying to start new positions, because everything's been up this year. The beginning of this year has been an incredible run so far. Okay. Well, let's keep watching this. This right now, this is interesting. This is moving. Ehang here pushing. This could be a potential the trade today. Oh, we opened this position yesterday as a swing, so this is not a permanent position to stay in. We'll see how this goes. Look at this though. It's got a lot. Let's see the volume here. 663,425, 520. Okay, we had the same. It's about a 20% larger open, which was a little bit of an indicator that we could have a lot of volume today, and we're definitely getting that pumping right now. We're up 27% right now. We are leading right now in terms of the watch list stocks. We're almost at 30% right now. Quantum sticking here. Palantir's having a little bit of a green day. And we would expect that. We'll see how green it ends up being today, tomorrow, and see if there's a sell-off on Friday. Continuing to move up here on EH. We've got Sundial is up 17% right here. I'm sorry, down 17%. Microvision down 10%. Zom 10%. This is painful. Lot. I feel like a lot of positions being established on because of a potential breakout run here. Back over $60. This was an expectation I had yesterday. Yesterday, I opened a position on this stock at $50.71 is my opening position on the stock. It's currently up 31%. Let's see here. Okay. What else do we have here? Let's see. Okay, crude oil down a little bit today. I don't trade oil. I'm gonna watch this. Bitcoin going up. Did Ehang just get suspended? I think Ehang just got suspended. I hate when they do that. That is such a buzzkill. It's freaking morons. Why? Stupid. So dumb. We got Microvision up 10. I'm sorry, down 10. Oh, you don't mislead people, Kevin. Don't trick people here. So yeah, okay. Ehang must have gotten suspended. Look at the volatility, the pain though here, or the pressure that we're getting on the market here, just to push down. Churchill. Oh, what's this? Mind Medicine. Are we on the minute here? Yeah, this is on the minute. Let's see here. This is the opening minute here. So we opened up, but almost pushing down right after that a bit here. Not getting enough candlesticks really to get down on that one. Cloudflare, kind of recovering a little bit. I do want to see what Shopify earnings were. We'll look at that in a second. We've got ZOS giving up some of its gains right here. It's like halftime in Cold War. Yeah, seriously, buzzkill. So Sen's coming down here, 7.4%. We got EXPI coming down, OGI coming down, Pinterest again. We got Tesla recovering. Tesla's recovering. Yeah, they don't suspend on the way down, but they suspend on the way up. Sharks. Yeah, the suspensions make me very confused. It's a sign that it's hot. It's a sign that it's hot. All right, let's see here. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up. Let's see. CNBC is on news break, so or commercial. Let's see what Varney's got to say if they have anything going on. Nope, they're talking about the weather again. It's not an interesting day in the market when they're talking about the weather on business channels. Okay, let's go into Riot. And I know the weather can have an impact here on certain stocks, but or energy prices. But look at Riot here. Opened up strong, about 8%, but it's giving it up. It's just giving it up. It's a bizarro day. Wouldn't be surprised if why is that so hard to say? Keeps running. Because there's nothing else that's showing the real momentum here. Silver spike. This is a nice curve. We got okay, here we go. Quantum's trying to break out. I think people realize okay, EH is on suspension. Maybe look at Quantum here. Yeah, give the market some vitamins. Give the market something. A little injection here. It's been the last few trading days have been a little tough to trade here. Let's see here. Sundial, Microvision. Look at this. I mean, it's just straight down right now. That's not fun. It is not fun. EXPI. Again, we expected a sell-off after the split, so this is okay. It's still substantially higher than where we've recommended buying. Look at Matterport. What a U-turn on Matterport. Wow. At an open of 1963. Oh, I'm sorry. There's Highland. There we go. This opened at 1830, 1816, down to 1686 right now. A little bit of a profit taking there at Matterport. Clever down a little bit, but up above our average cost basis on Clever. Still a good cannabis play. I like that one. Sundial I mean, this is rough today. Not happy about this. Quantum's doing the breakout. Quantum's breaking out. So Quantum and EH, those might be the breakouts today. Here we go. Push it. So Quantum's moving. Let's see what the volume is here. So we've got 2.6. We've got an elevated volume here in the 3 to 400,000 range. 3 to 400,000 range of volume. Let's see what we got yesterday. During the day. Oh. Okay, usual volume. I mean, the occasional spike up to 300K, but most of the volume, I would say. Oh, look at E-Hang's running again. E-Hang's running again. Yeah. Oh, go, baby, go. Let's go. Yeah. You can't suspend us. Oh, and it's back. Oh, look at it run. Suck it, short sellers. Run. Where's our diamond hand boy? Where is it? Here he is. Look at him. Get focus. Focus on diamond hands. I can't get it to focus. I don't know why the camera sucks. But this is the diamond hand man. No, we gotta do this. We gotta get it. Come on. Diamond hand man. There he is. Look at that. Woo! Oh, man. That is a push. Woo! All right. I think that's probably good enough for me. So let's see here. Okay. That's a really good run. I am going to close. I am taking my tendies. Let's see here. Okay. That was a really, really nice run, and I like that. That's the trade of the day. Boom. Money. Boom. And this could keep running, but holy crap. Like that was nice. That was a tendy printer right there. Woo! That's a good day. Oh my God. That's a good day. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Short seller comes in. Short seller comes in, tries to bag on E-Hang. Comes out with a hit piece that tries to come out like it's a story, but screams hit piece. Stock sells off 60%. Open a position yesterday at $50.71. The thing comes out of the gate with momentum like crazy today. We ride the big swing up, and this could keep going today. This could keep going, okay? This could keep moving. And it's great. I'm happy. But folks, I just took $9,800 on a $30,000 swing trade. Thank you very much. This can keep going, but I'm happy. Like, oh man. Woo! That was a good one. That beat our Ocugen. I mean, look, I got shaved by like $800 on OGI, but Ocugen was a 7K profit tendy maker. This right here, you saw us do it. That's a nice one. All right. So let's go back. It's actually it might push. It's pushing higher right now. I sold at 67.13. It's at 68 right now. Like, whoo! This can keep going. And this is where you can't SOMO, which I say SOMO is the sadness of missing out, and you know, if you're no longer part of something. I'm okay with that because I got my tendies. Still plenty of opportunities to get tendies in this in this trade though. Great. So let's see what else we got here. Nano coming back, trying to break out a little bit today. Oh, Shift apparently confirmed earnings for March 8th. Thank you, Pulsars. Thank you. Finally, I want to see shift earnings, but March 8th. Come on, man. I don't got another 3 weeks. All right. So, what else is going on here? Palantir recovering. Palantir's recovering after that painful sell-off yesterday. Bitcoin going to 51,000. Oh, there it is. Bitcoin 51,000, folks. 51,000. We've got Shift Technology up about 2%. Churchill, look at this volatility on Churchill. Ugh. What insanity here. Wait, where did EH go? EH go? Did they get suspended again? No. Still going. So it's a little bit of volatility here. Wow, that was a nice run. That was awesome. Riot pushing up. Here we go. Riot's going for the breakout. We saw this mentioned this morning. We'll see what it could do here. Let's see. Volume over here. Look at it. Is Enphase selling off? Somebody paid $2.99 to tell me Enphase is selling off. Look at Riot though. There we go. Look at the breakout on Riot. Here we go. This could be another one. This could be another move right here. Let's see here. I just love coattailing short sellers. Where's Enphase? What's Enphase doing? Let's see. Enphase 2%. No, that's not a big deal. So that's a hold, not a trade. What else is going on here? Quantum, look at that run. Wow, that's nice. Okay, well, let's see what kind of support we get at Quantum. And we've got let's see, Sundial. Sundial. That's not a trade today. Neither is Microvision. We can't trade any of these guys. They can't figure out what they're doing today. Hyliion had a nice little run last week. Gave all of it away. Gone. Just gone. EXP trying to recover here. We've got Peloton 3%. Where's Tesla? Oh, here's GameStop. What happened? GameStop came out of the gate strong. Look at this run we had, but now it's profit taking again. Why? Ugh. Today. Tough day. We got a really good trade, obviously, on EH. I don't know why I always want to say EH. H is in the letter. Where is it? Is it suspended? Oh no, here it is. Okay, look at that. Still trying to push. Look at that. I mean this is not going away. SOS. Okay. Just trying to turn the corner here. Riot here. Nothing's pulling the EH. Let's see. No. What do we got here? Mara. Moving up a little bit. CCIV 2%. And look, I mean, after a run like Churchill had yesterday, going up 31%, any amount of green is Tendi printing at CCIV today. Tesla going straight up. Okay. Moving up here. Let's see here. Okay. So Tesla 1.3%. Tesla's recovering nicely. Definitely some pain there. I mean, 762. What a dip. Tesla's just hitting these. It's unfortunately in this sort of spiral vortex right now where it's hitting these new lows every day, and it's kind of painful. Let's go open up the Bloomberg terminal and let's see what the news is. For 1 sec, we'll listen to this.
Needs for monetary policy. I'd also just note, this is part of the Bitcoin story too, right? That easy money policy, expectations around inflation, dollar depreciation. That is part of the reason you've continued to see Bitcoin, trade at these record highs too, Carl.
Okay.
Yeah, and there's more data.
One of the reasons I think that actually Bitcoin could have a sell-off this year. Oh, hold on. Let's listen to this and I'll explain that.
It's expected up 0.5%, came in stronger than expected, up 0.6. This is the best read since up 0.8, and that was in September. And we're also getting the National Association of Home Builders Market Index for February, which made an all-time high of 90 in November. Diana Olick, how does the number look this month?
Well, Rick, it's down from there, but builder sentiment did rise 1 point to 84 in February, according to the home builders. Anything above 50 is considered positive sentiment. It was at 74 a year ago, and this despite lumber prices hitting a record high during the month, which caused some builders to halt projects. Of the index's 3 components, current sales conditions steady at 90, traffic of prospective buyers up 4 points to 72, sales expectations in the next 6 months fell 3 points to 80. Regionally, on a 3-month average, builder sentiment in the Northeast was at 78, up 2 points, fell 1 point to 81 in the Midwest. In the South, it dropped 2 points to 84, and in the West, decreased 2 points to 93. A lot of numbers. They're all on CNBC.com. David, back to you.
You know, real estate is crushing it. I have to say, real estate is. I mean, nothing like a Churchill Capital. Okay, you don't touch a Tendy printer, Churchill Capital. Whew, Tendy printers. I like Tendy printers. But yeah, real estate is it's just no signs of slowing down. It's crazy. And folks, look at this. I mean, it could end up blowing past. It could blow right. It could break out of this. This could be back to $80 very, very soon. I don't regret taking my money because I made $7,800 doing nothing. I'm sorry, not $7,800, $9,800. Man, I should have waited for 10 grand. But see, that's when it gets dangerous. When you're like, oh, I should have done this. I should have just stayed in it for another minute. No. Take the money. take the money. So let's see. SOS 17. See, look. Okay. I want to make this clear. And this is important. And then I got to mention what I was going to say about Bitcoin. You know why he has diamonds? Because he makes money. Sorry. Okay, let's go back to the charts here. I wanted to say about what's it called? Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, I personally think that, and I mentioned this before, but I think if we see inflation soften in the summer, Bitcoin could sell off a lot because there's so much right now building on, inflation's coming. If it doesn't come, people might rotate out. Like, I personally don't see Bitcoin as an inflation hedge, but a lot of people do. So, you could fight that all day, but, keep in mind, it's people are going to trade into and out of that based on what inflation does. My thoughts. Oh, yeah. What a day in the market. Whew. Okay, so see, I think it's U-turning, man. I don't like this. See, you don't really have support on quantum. Maybe we have support here on right. We'll see. SOS. I mean, come on. This is not the chart I want to play. LDI. What's this? LDI down 7%. Loan Depot. No, dude. The market hates mortgage companies. We learned that with Rocket Mortgage. I'm not touching mortgage companies. Mortgage companies are like actually the opposite of Bitcoin. Inflation expectations go up. Mortgage companies get burned. Bitcoin does well. Inflation expectations go down. Interest rate expectations go down. Lenders do well. Bitcoin does bad. Watch that track out. I would not be surprised if that is the perfect inverse relationship. Obviously, nothing's perfect, but I think that could be an inverse relationship. I'm not buying the dip on Zom. Zom's just no sign of support on that one. Yeah, and look, it's a pharmaceutical company for pets, which is a really phenomenal thing. Noble mission. But y'all know I know very, very little about pharmaceutical companies. Makes me nervous. I do like this. This is a good path up. Let's see where it supports. It's worth trading. We think this can come up. But we don't want to end up in the day like, where'd Microvision go? Micro's ho. Yeah, look at that. You keep being able to make more money over at eHang. Man, suck it, short sellers. Although I have to say, these short sellers, they play this game so much, I wouldn't be surprised if they're closing their positions. Maybe they already did yesterday when it was down like 60%. Wouldn't surprise me. These short selling lawsuit jerks, this is how they play their game and how they make money. Imagine having that power, coming out going, I'm suing this company. Here's a hit piece, sells off 60%. To make some fat money on shorts real fast. Yo, this is the trade today. Like, you could keep playing eHang today. And that's the thing. We saw that with the volume. This is the play today. I mean, here, wow. This is the chart I want to play, you know? This is a nice looking chart. Oh, wow. Wow. Support over $61. Next support at 63, you know, between 60, around 63. And trying to break out again. Wow. What a move. What a move. This is such a bullish signal here. We'll see how this goes. Keep an eye on this. $70. That's great. CCIV struggling. Not a trade today. Oh, Matterport's back. Whew. It should be illegal. Yeah. I see a lot of you saying that about the short seller. It should be illegal. It doesn't seem right. I agree with you. It seems very, 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 very shady. Yeah. Let's see. So let's go to all stocks here. Quantum. No. Wow. Bitcoin breaking out though. Bitcoin at 51.5. Man, I wish my money would clear. Can't get my money invested into. I wanted to buy some more coins, but yeah. Oh well, nothing you can do about that. It takes so long to get your money over to invest in BTC sometimes. Shift up 2%. We've got. Oh yeah, let's listen to this for a sec.
On the list, and he goes by Roaring Kitty online. He promoted GameStop stock through some YouTube videos. Robinhood's 33-year-old CEO has come under by far the most public scrutiny in that group. This whole situation is seen as another big test for his company as they head towards an IPO. And among those advising him ahead of this hearing, there's former SEC Commissioner Dan Gallagher, who joined Robinhood about a year ago. Two of Robinhood's new top communications team members joined from one of its regulators, FINRA. One was also on President Obama's Treasury communications team. Robinhood has also reportedly hired Reginald Brown. He is a veteran congressional investigation lawyer. Analysts I've been talking to this morning and over the weekend really expect lawmakers to grill these witnesses, especially the CEOs, similar to what we've seen in the past with some of those big tech hearings. They also expect a lot of questions about payment for order flow and Robinhood's revenue model, but not a lot of real market structure discussion. Morgan, back to you.
Actually, Kate, one question from me, and just in terms of our audience, I mean, you went through the cast list. Is there any doubt that Vlad is the one that people will want to hear from the most? Or would you argue that there's equal interest in what Griffin
Roaring Kitty
say?
I think there is a lot of interest in what Ken Griffin especially has to say. And some of the explanation to lawmakers, you had Elizabeth Warren come out this morning and say it's still not clear what Robinhood's relationship is with market makers. I think even the distinction between Citadel, the hedge fund, and Citadel Securities, which works with Robinhood, I think will be, of huge interest and sort of an explanation there. And then, of course, Melvin Capital. And I think the requirement here is a lot of explaining by those CEOs and to say, here is the situation, here's the setup in our revenue model. So I think for our audience especially, there's a lot of interest in Citadel. But of course, Robinhood so far has gotten the most heat from lawmakers.
I don't know. I'm kind of curious to hear what Keith Gill, a.k.a. Roaring Kitty, a.k.a. Deep Blank Value,
has the most
interest to say.
I think,
given the fact that this became such a tidal wave of people getting involved and participating on Reddit. And I realize that he's been very prominent. But I wonder how that is going to be navigated, both in terms of how he's thinking about his testimony and also just in terms of the types of questions that are getting asked, because this was in many ways kind of a crowdsourced endeavor.
He is sort of emblematic of the whole Reddit crowd. I think they're bringing him on as an individual. He's an example of a broader trend and what we're seeing with this new phenomenon of people bidding up the same stocks on social media. So he may be an example of one person, but as you said, there are thousands of people like him. And
all right, let's get back to the charts. So I'm excited for that hearing tomorrow. I will be live streaming it, so check the channel tomorrow. I'll be live streaming the hearing. We'll see what Robinhood has to say. Citadel, Melvin, Roaring Kitty, Deep F and Value. I mean, like, woo! It's gonna be entertaining to watch. Oh man, ooh, tomorrow's gonna be juicy. But what else is juicy is Ehang. Folks, I said yesterday Ehang was going to be a 10D printer. I got a lot of hate. I read Discord public chats. I got a lot of people going, what an idiot. Why would he buy that fraud? I'm like, really? You read a short seller's report? You made a mistake. Oh, man. Come on. 56%. This thing keeps going. We saw it with the volume. The signs were here. This was breaking out today. And it keeps going. I want this to keep going because there are many of you that are going, Kevin, I'm still in it. I want to make my 10 grand too. And you should. Because I hope those short sellers are still in it right now so they could just burn their crappiness. All right, let's see here. Not everything else sucks, man. Like what staff ST? Let's see. I keep getting red ticker symbols here. Yeah, exactly. Come on, man. This thing's trading straight sideways. Staffing 360. It's not a trade for today. I mean, there's no volume on that thing too. I just CLPS. What is that? Clippers? Clips? What's clips? Oh, okay. Clips has got to move. What's going on at this? Wow. This is interesting. Let's see what the heck this is. What did this announce? CLPS. Clovis Oncology, of course. It's always the pharmaceutical stocks. So what's going on here? Because this is it's like a 3x here right now. So they had to have announced something because they opened like this. Why it happened. All right, let's see what's going on. Okay. CLPS announcing that through its wholly owned subsidiary, it signed a vendor agreement with a well-known U.S. digital payment platform to provide IT services, including data analysis and payment risk management for their international business. Really? By growing beyond the mainland China market, CLPS has extended its presence and client base internationally. Oh, I see. Okay, maybe a headquarters in the U.S. Wow. I mean, don't understand it, but there's movement as well. A lot of the movement came from the open though, not during the day. Then again, the day has actually been pretty dang good also. But it looks like, yeah, this is where you had the big run right here. It's still moving. Yeah, okay, that's a good one. There's a lot of momentum on this one too. Let's see here. 13.4 million volume at the open. Wow. Volume actually increasing. Big increasing volume here. Here's another one. That's actually not bad. This is another one that could continue a little bit. Yeah. I mean, just in the time of it, this one's got a lot of momentum behind it. Let's see. Ehang slowing down a little bit for the moment. Yes, this is a good one. Let's see. 19. I like the volume of this because it keeps increasing. This is good. Yeah, this is not bad. We'll see if this hits another support and if it's worth opening anything on. That's a good one. Thank you for sharing that. So check GIK. Okay, what's GIK up to? So nothing. I mean, I know this is a SPAC, very low volume right now. Nothing really happening at this at the stock, sitting at 14. It's all right. Amazon. Yeah, see, Amazon. I know we were talking about that earlier. I had that nice trend up, but it was only up like 0.6%, right? And that's not enough to trade off of. That's not enough to make a move off of. Ehang is giving up. A lot of profit taking at Ehang right now. So, who knows how this goes? This was a good swing trade. Take your money, folks. Take profits. That's a good one. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this ends up hitting. Is this going to be a support, or what does this end up doing? Is this going to break out through 300%? Good call out here. Yeah, this one's got such insane volume. Oh gosh, million. Lots of volume. That could keep going. Let's see. QuantumScape. I made Riot. Tesla's neural net might be becoming universally used for self-driving cars due to the sheer number of miles behind the AI. I agree with you. DPW. I agree. They could license that out to Lucid. I don't know why they would do that. But yeah, EH killing it. I want to put a call on Tesla. Any suggestions? No. I like the idea of that. I've got a bunch of calls on Tesla. They're down today. That's for sure. Let's see. Tesla, 2%. Okay, Tesla giving up a little bit of its recovery rally here. Look at that low. 762 on Tesla. Woo! CFAC. What we got over here? CFAC. Oh, gosh. That's a rough looking day. Okay, let's go ahead and pull up the news hub. Just see what's going on. Real fluctuation here on just really the market overall. Okay, news hub. There we go. All sources. Pull this up. Let's see what we got. There we go. Okay, Dow wipes out a 150 point loss and reverses higher. Oh, good. So what's the Dow right now? It's down 44 points. Okay. All right, let's minimize this and pop this open. So we'll put the news right. It's going to fall to the background here. Let's do a quick little look at Syria. Nat West in talks to sell something. Enphase Energy volume rises, led by the 320 March 21 calls. Whoa, that's really, really bullish. Really bullish here. Enphase options volume rises, led by May 21, 320 calls. That's still bullish. Kevin, Robinhood tweeted that they are working on assigning wallets to users for crypto. It's speculated they are whale wallet of Doge. See Elon tweets. That's interesting. Okay. GHVI. What's GHVI doing? GHVI? I like that one. Because that one had losses. And is it reversing now? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Woo! Another one of ours. Oh, yeah. Come on. This is too good. So GHVI, in case you don't know, which is fine if you don't know, GHVI is the Matterport SPAC. They are bringing Matterport.com public. It's really software as a service, started as a product company and service company. This is my position on GHVI. So GHVI, I put $336,000 into it. On February 5th, I sent out an alert. It was like a Friday. I think it was like right a minute after market close. I wasn't live streaming, but I sent an alert to all the course members in the Stocks and Psychology of Money group. And I said, Matterport SPAC just announced. This is a buy. And so I put $336,000 in at $13.45. It's about my average price. And right now the thing's trading at 19.4. I think this company is still a buy at under 20. I think once this goes over 25, it gets too expensive. And you kind of just long hold this, diamond hand this to like 35, 40 over time. That's my thesis on the Matterport SPAC. If you want my alerts, there's a pinned comment or it's down in the description. You'll see a link for Teachable. Just use that coupon code that's there, the HODL or HODL, however you like to say it. You can bundle it with other programs if you want. You don't have to. But that'll give you my alerts when I see these. But anywho, that's nice. I have no idea why this pressure came in here. This is volume, folks. That's all this is. This is volume. Don't day trade this. Don't day trade this. Because this could give up some of it, and it's giving up some of it obviously right now. But here's why don't day trade this. The volume, too low. Too low. This right here is a whale. This is bullish actually for the company, because what it is some whale just came in and bought 400,000 shares. There are 400,000 more shares here that were traded in that minute than previously. That's a whale coming in, buying everything. That is not a trading signal. I won't trade off that. But yeah, that I have 25,000 shares. Somebody just came in and bought 400,000 is my guess. We don't know with certainty. I mean, I could look at the order book. Although I don't. What minute did this happen? I don't know. Let's see here. This happened at 10:19. Let's see. Can we get down to that? 10:19. Yeah, we can. Go Webull. If you want to sign up for Webull, which is the platform we've got here, definitely check it out. You can go to metkevin.com/Webull, and when you deposit $100, they'll give you free stocks. Let's look at the whale of the order that came through here. So let's go down. Where was it? It was already at $19 here at 18. Because it really shot it. Here we go. I want to see. Oh, maybe I could just sort by it. No. Okay, here we go. Let's see. So no real price action here. I want to see the big order. Where's the big order? 4,000 shares. That's not enough to do this. It's just lots of green. A lot of little transactions. Hundreds. No selling. There's got to be a bigger trade here. 1,800, 1,000. I would not be surprised to see a massive purchase here. But I'm not seeing that right now. I got some red. Okay. There we go. 12,800. I mean, that's not enough. 12,800. Oh, there. 5,000. 12,800. That helped push, without a doubt. Here are the people selling to them. Let's see. It should be bigger than that, though. It's bullish is the point. It's bullish on Matterport is the point. To have a big green candlestick like that. Maybe the order book just isn't really showing it to me, or I'm missing it. Another 4,700. I mean, those are some big purchases scattered. So maybe somebody got like 50,000 shares, over the course of, 4 or 5 different fulfillments or something like that. 3,000. Yeah, I think that's what it was. Over the course of a few minutes, 1,200, 1,850. We just had, a lot of purchases over a couple minutes there. So somebody put in a big order, 50, 60,000 maybe. So that's good. Bullish, not something to trade off though, because I think it's really just a limited thing here. So EHang's hanging out at where I sold it at 67. So, plenty of reason to make some money here. I see some of y'all leaving comments in the course member chat that you got out at like over 70. Congratulations. Good for you. Awesome job. Let's see. Okay, what else do we have? Where's that one that was running? Clips. What's Clips doing? Because we wanted to see if there was a support on Clips. Clips. Oh, suspended, of course. Just this is the suits, man. This is the freaking suits. Man, it just pissed me off. Just whatever. Yeah. I mean, it helped EHang. You have to give him credit for that. It helped EHang. Really pushed EHang. Where's Tesla? 777. I should put a limit for 777.77. Should we do that? That'd be kind of funny. I might do it. No, because if I set the limit, it's just going to execute below it. I'm not going to get it at 777. See what happens. I mean, Tesla under 800 is that's always been my buy range. When it gets over 800, you're paying the premium over 8. Now under 8, it's just a buy. It's just a regular buy. Matterport, look at that, pushing up a bit after that sort of consolidation here, after that big run up. So Palantir recovering, not a straight line by any means, and kind of a little bit crazy here. Somebody made $450 today on CCME. Congratulations, that has been a Tendy printer. Where is it? Oh, it gave up some of its gains today. So good job. I'm surprised you traded this. I mean, maybe you got in yesterday, but yeah, this is not a trader stock today. But good job, you made it anyway. Matterport pushing up more. Good. Let's go look at Bloomberg Terminal for a moment. See what the news of the day is. Get out of here. Exit. Okay, here we go. Goldman Sachs renewed its lease at Vornado, Trump Tower office. Rosengren, citing GameStop, says froth is part of the market. So he works for the Fed. So some dude at the Fed is basically saying, yo, the market frothy, just look at GameStop. I don't know about that, because if I look at GameStop, it looked like a big down arrow for quite a while there. You know what I'm saying? That's not a good thing. Is PayPal stock a buy right as Bitcoin surges? Here's what the charts show. I don't think they make a lot of money off Bitcoin. PayPal, consistent track record, evolution of digital currency, blah, blah, blah. Okay. They really they're bullish on PayPal. I have PayPal. I like PayPal. Continues to battle Square. Yes. So is it a buy right now? Let's see. So in the recent stock market rally, PayPal extended past the 215 buy point with a cup base, according to this company that does chart analysis. With the chart extending from its 50-day support level, the stock is no longer in a new buy area, so it's not a buy right now. I like these sort of technical reports. Mnuchin won't back aid provisions that violate budget rule. Oh, Manchin, I'm sorry. Manchin. Wait, that's a big thing. Hold on, let's see if we can hear about this.
Several friends and families that are spending their
wrong channel.
Without Donald Trump.
I think we need to get away from the idea that
he's not here anymore. All right, we'll go back to this. That's interesting. Yeah, that's his first statement in a while on stimulus. That could soften some stimulus expectations here. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what that ends up meaning. So it's not clear. He didn't clearly come out and bag on the minimum wage provision. So we don't know if that violates yet. So we'll see. Tech firm, that's fine. What other news do we have here? Carlyle credit line. Let's see. Senator Joe Manchin has privately informed President Joe Biden he won't join any Democratic efforts to force through provisions if they are ruled against. Right. If they are ruled. But we don't know that yet, if anything has been ruled as not allowed regarding stimulus, which that does affect stocks. Yeah, I feel like the stock market's a little tenuous right now. As it sort of waits for stimulus. What else we got going on here? Bloomberg retweet, South Africa's president. New York sues Amazon. Well, that's not good. New York sues Amazon, alleging flagrant disregard of health standards at warehouses. See, like, these are not short seller lawsuits. These are just, these are like real issues, which sucks. As I do own Amazon. Let's see. Here we go. Fed's Rosengren doesn't see sustained inflation for 2 years I would be that's what I'm saying. That's exactly what I'm saying. And I think that's what's going to have downward pressure on Bitcoin. I would be very surprised if we see sustained inflation of 2% in the next year or two because labor markets are so disrupted. In other words, we're going to see up and then down and then up and then down. And it's going to set Bitcoin on a volatile path too. Yeah. Okay. Wells Fargo, don't really care about that. Let's see. Purchases of tips, treasury protected, bonds. What else? Trump Plaza Casino demolished in Atlantic City. Oh, here we go. Robin Hood heads to the Hill. Oh, we know that. That's tomorrow. Wells Fargo jumps to session high. Let's see what we got, Wells Fargo. We did see Buffett trim his position. Dude, there's nothing. No, that's not Wells Fargo. Okay, yeah. To say, there's no volume here. What's going on? What's the Wells Fargo ticker? It's a WFC. WFC. Wells Fargo stock. There we go. Yeah, I mean, nice big candlestick here, but 0.5% on the day. Let's see what happened yesterday in the after hours after Buffett. Oh, nothing really. Yeah. No real movement here. Here we go. See, Clips, we didn't get support. We didn't get support for Clips. So here we go. Maybe the support's at 1630. That might be where it is. We'll see here. Somewhere right around here. If that's true, we'll see. But I think volume's down. What's volume? 500, 600. Yeah, we're not getting that crazy volume we had anymore at Clips. So that one may have had its move. And let's see what the volume's doing over here on EH. Yeah, volume's also like halved. So I think traders may be taking their profits and moving on for the day. I mean, we did good. We did real good. That 10K on E-Hang is a nice little printer. I mean, that's golly. Imagine if you could do stuff. I mean, you can't. You could try. But, I mean, imagine if you found one like that every single day, right? Woo! Wouldn't have to do anything else. Come in, work for a couple hours, be done. That's nice. All right, what else? Sundial Micro, just pain in the market over here today. Look at this, just going down. Microvision, straight down. Ugh, ugly. Sundial. Oh, Sundial's recovering from its 18% hole. Ugh. Let's see. We've got OGI. We closed out of this one yesterday, but it looks like a lot of the cannabis is just rotating down today. Aurora. It's all cannabis is selling down today. Still and Clever. That's a longer hold. EXP, 8% after the split. We expected this, though. I said it many times before. It'll probably sell off after the split, and that's okay as traders rotate out. I'm still holding that one, though. That's a diamond hand long run, but the strategy on that one is long term. Strategy's not short. Matterport doing well. Palantir still it's struggling to recover. Struggling. We'll see. I still think Friday morning will be an interesting opportunity for this one. We'll see. 51,100 on Bitcoin. Net coming back, doing its little recovery here, a couple percent. CCIV, where'd it go? CCIV was here. Oh, there it is. 2.18%. 2% on Shift. Shift just so tenuously waiting. So waiting for those earnings. CCNC, what's that? CCNC. Code Chain, 14% today. Had a nice rally here. Probably some kind of news and then sell off. Either news or big purchase. Let's see. CCNC. Code Chain. Ecotech company. I don't know anything about this. No. Okay, somebody says they made $3,500 on CCIV and bought some Tesla. Nice. This we have interest payments, notification of interest payment. That's boring. Why Bitcoin won't become like money? Why I mean, I already believe that won't become like money. It's an investment. I will not make that happen. Oh, Biden shoots down 50K. Oh, there goes that. I will not make that happen on a CNN town hall. Ooh. I'm pleased to write off $10,000, but not 50K. Wow, big statement there. So there goes the 50K idea. There's a house price bubble. Is it about to burst? Let's see. Housing prices move in tandem with the economy. So is it about to burst? Housing prices going straight up. And prices could still fall. While many analysts are expecting housing prices to fall this year, the drops are not as dramatic as previously forecast. Maybe a 4 or 5 percentage point correction. Wow. By 2025, we expect interest rates to start rising again. Even just a small increase from the 2% at the moment to 3% could cause property values to drop by 10%. Yep. Rule of 10x, baby. They stole my rule. That's my rule. Totally stole my rule. Interest rates go up 1%, prices come down 10%. It's the rule of 10x. Simple math. Okay. Anything else going on? We got dividend notifications coming through the tape. Oh, NASDAQ slumps. Just a tough day. Yeah, I'm ready for tomorrow. I agree with you. I am ready for tomorrow as well. It's a rough day out there in the trades. We did well on EH though. I'm happy. Where is it, by the way? Okay. Kind of consolidating here. It's still at 67 though. I mean, that's where I sold. So it's just, I think that big run is over, which is good. You know, we rode the run, sold, actually had a higher run, and it's right back where we were. Clips selling off. So, yeah, breaking any signs of support here. So I'm glad we didn't open a position here. Matterport, though. I mean, that's just a long hold. That's great. Is it too late for CCIV? That's a good question. You know, I think it's expensive where it is right now. Like, I'm not going to add any shares where it is right now. And we've got a lot of recent news. Recent news is tough to add off of. I would probably wait for no news for a few days. Ooh, excuse me. I would probably wait for no news for a few days and then get in on CCIV. You know, maybe see if that sells off a little bit. You know, we got 2 green days in a row now. We'll see how long that lasts. You know, a lot of folks asking about NEO. NEO down 3.8%. Yeah, NEO to me, it's okay to buy it under 65. Oh, it's okay. It's like a little nibble when it's red, but I really prefer NEO under 45. People get mad at me when I say that. I'm not saying that because I want it to go under 45. I'm just saying like that's where I think it makes sense. Tesla, you know, this keeps selling off. I'd add a big position to this. We'll see how it goes. Down at 776. I'm just happy with my margin right now. I gotta wait to get paid again to buy some more Tesla. NEO 3%. Okay. Not a fun market. I mean, unless you did the EH swing that we just started yesterday, tough day. Nothing's doing nice today. Micro straight down, Torchlight down, OGI down, but we're out of that. EXPI down, ZOM trying to recover. Even BNGO's down, Sens. Oh my God, Pinterest. If Pinterest goes back to like 75, buy. Goes under 70, buy bigger. AMC going right back down. NEO. That's unfortunate. What a rough day. It's not a day to be happy. Because even the things that are doing well, they've already kind of given up their excitement for the day. Yeah, I see the comments about Riot, but Riot hasn't really been moving. See, I mean, like, I can't day trade that. We can't find a support level on clips. Yeah, and EH is now in that downward pattern. It's a good opportunity to take your money. If you bought it yesterday when I sent the alert, you made money. We did. Sometimes I do these trades and I'm like, dang, I should have put in more than 30K. But no, you can't woulda, coulda, shoulda these things. All right. So we'll do one more look over here at the Bloomberg terminal. Let's just see anything exciting. No, not really. New Vista acquisition. What's that? No. Yeah. No. Just not a slow news day. Red market day overall. I'm very excited though because we made $9,800 on the EH swing that I got hate for on Discord. So thank you. Short sellers can go suck it because they're jerks. This stupid report they put together yesterday. I look forward to EH coming out and defending all that, but I don't need to stick around for that because we made our money on it. Yeah. All right. I will be live with course members in about an hour and 18 minutes. Feel free to join. If you do join the Stocks and the Psychology of Money group, more lectures will be coming out this weekend. They'll be finally ready to publish a new series of lectures. I keep adding to it. Use that coupon code if you're considering joining. Watch lecture 1.0, so you join the live streams and get the alerts. And folks, congratulations if you made money today on EH. Congratulations if you're in Gores and you made money today. Congratulations if you're in CCAV and you made money today. These are all and Shift. These are all stocks I've sent a lot of buy alerts out on at much lower prices. So congratulations. Again, if you want those alerts, use that link down below. Thank you so much for being here, and we will see you later. Appreciate you. And Otto, thank you for the $14. Didn't have to do that. I appreciate you. Thank you all. Bye.